You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this French painter. If you want to learn more names of famous artists, make sure to stay tuned, and French names too. Stay tuned, we've got many more coming up. French pronunciation, Nicolas de Staël. I know normally with the tréma, the two dots on the E, it should be pronounced Staël, but for some reason that's not. It is pronounced Nicolas, silent S, de Staël. Nicolas de Staël. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.